clue. I'll show you what's going to happen here. See, what we got here
Okay.
is the shower cubicle.
Looking good.
Yeah, it takes time to do this job. See, this is very exact.
Oh yeah.
That's very exact. It's got to be right on the friggin' money. Oh, now, we got a hole here for the valve. We got a hole for the pipe.
Yeah.
Now, I got to plaster that back wall so it comes full tile all the way over here, right? So we can put a full-length tile up there.
Yep.
It's got mounted nose. I got a box of that special bullnose tile.
Mm-hmm.
In near the commode.
Okay. Oh, okay, in that corner.
Yeah.
And your vanity goes over in here.
Vanity goes there. And the jacuzzi bath will go in here. I'm thinking about making a jacuzzi bath myself. Use mosaic tile and get the pumps and the agitators and all that shit. So,
Kitchen's looking good.
yeah, I gotta put that one more piece of tile in here today. I'll put that piece of tile in here.
Yeah.
Now, that's the B. What should be done here? Now let's see, Whiteford, you asshole, you've got your long tape somewhere. Where is it? Well, let me look at this. Then I'll consult with you on this, whatchamacallit.
What do you got to do
My
here?
sink. How wide is my sink? Decision as to what kind of electrical fixture we're going to put in there.
That's the knockout right in here.
That's the knockout, huh? That's 30 inches.
No idea. About $100?
Huh?
About 100?
$354. It cost me $190. And the sink is 33.
You come through the hole in the wall and go into a Romex connector in the hood.
That's our sink. Right there. Now the dishwasher is 24 inches. And that goes underneath of this fucking thing. Maybe we ought to allow about 4 inches there.
Between the sink and the dishwasher?
Yeah. Now that's 24. So that's 24. And a 30-inch stove. Now, there should be some space between that and the dishwasher too. Let's see now, let's allow 4 inches of space again. Or maybe 6, in case we got any fucking wiring coming on the side.
What goes over in the left-hand corner here?
Huh?
What goes over here?
A countertop. Countertop.
Anything under it?
Huh?
Anything under it?
Cabinets. Regular kitchen cabinets. Now, this is a stove here. That sales taxes, I got $25 off on it.
Oh yeah?
You know. 4 foot level. Now, but we are looking at something here, like 30 inches. That's 30 inches on the stove, and the hood's got to be the same damn thing. The wall is 9 inches thick.
Well, ladies and germs, while Whitey's downstairs, this is the assembly for hooking up the hood through the wall for the vent, and we're commencing to wire this up here, right in here, right now. So he's coming back up now. So that's it for now.